Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to build this Lego bed. Start off by getting two slope pieces and a 2x4 and placing it right here. And putting the other side of this like this. Then place a 1x2 right here. And 1x2 here. And the other 1x2 here. Next step is to get the 1x2s and place a 2x2 right here. And a 1x1 on the other sides. Then place a 1x4 right here. And two slope pieces and a 1x2 here. And placing it on top. Then connect it with this piece here. The final step is to place studs on each corner. I built this nightstand a couple videos ago. If you want to see how to build this, press the iCard in the corner. I think it looks good with the bed. And thanks for watching.